Did you know that according to the World Health Organization, over 420 million people worldwide are living with diabetes, a number that's nearly quadrupled since 1980? Even more startling, many more are living with prediabetes or experience frequent blood sugar spikes without even realizing it. High blood sugar doesn't just increase your risk for diabetes. It's a silent force that can affect your heart, your brain, your eyesight, and even your energy levels throughout the day. The foods you choose can make a dramatic difference, sometimes within hours, in how your body manages blood sugar. Blood sugar management is more than just a concern for those diagnosed with diabetes or prediabetes. It's a foundational pillar of good health for everyone. When your blood sugar is stable, your energy is steady, your mind is clear, and your risk of chronic illness drops significantly. Unfortunately, in our fast-paced world, it's all too easy to reach for foods that spike blood sugar, refined carbs, sugary snacks, and processed meals. For millions, these choices lead to blood sugar levels that swing from high to low, creating a roller coaster of fatigue, irritability, and long-term health issues. For those already grappling with insulin resistance, diabetes, or simply wanting to avoid the mid-afternoon slump, the urgency to find fast, effective solutions is real. Whether you're looking for a quick fix after a carb-heavy meal or want to build a diet that naturally keeps your blood sugar in check, knowing which foods can help is essential. But not all foods are created equal. Some have the power to lower blood sugar quickly and effectively, harnessing nature's own medicine cabinet. Let's dive into 10 foods that can help lower blood sugar fast. These choices are backed by science and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. First up is cinnamon. This warm, aromatic spice does more than add flavor to your oatmeal. It contains compounds that mimic the effects of insulin and increase glucose transport into your cells. Multiple studies have shown that cinnamon can lower fasting blood sugar levels by up to 10 to 29% in people with diabetes. Just half a teaspoon a day sprinkled on yogurt or blended into a smoothie can make a difference. Next is apple cider vinegar, a pantry staple with impressive blood sugar-lowering effects. When taken before a meal, about 1 to 2 tablespoons diluted in water, apple cider vinegar can slow the rate at which your stomach empties food into your intestines, leading to a more gradual rise in blood sugar. It also improves insulin sensitivity, making your body more efficient in managing glucose. Our third food is leafy greens, especially spinach and kale. These vegetables are low in carbohydrates and packed with fiber, which helps slow the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream. They're also loaded with magnesium, a mineral that plays a key role in insulin sensitivity. A big salad loaded with greens or a handful tossed into a morning smoothie can provide lasting benefits. Fourth on the list, chia seeds. These tiny seeds are a nutritional powerhouse, high in soluble fiber, that forms a gel-like substance in your gut, slowing the breakdown of carbohydrates and reducing blood sugar spikes. Chia seeds can be easily added to oatmeal, yogurt, or even baked goods for a subtle crunch and a gentle effect on blood sugar. Number 5 is fatty fish, like salmon, sardines, or mackerel. While fish itself doesn't directly lower blood sugar, it's rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity. Including fatty fish in your diet a few times a week can help keep your blood sugar more stable over time. Sixth, we have berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. Unlike most fruits, berries are low in sugar and high in fiber and antioxidants. These compounds help slow the absorption of sugar and improve insulin response, making berries a smart snack for anyone watching their blood sugar. Seventh on the list is nuts, particularly almonds and walnuts. Nuts are high in healthy fats, protein, and fiber, all of which help slow digestion and prevent blood sugar spikes after meals. Just a small handful can keep you full and your blood sugar steady. Number 8 is Greek yogurt, especially the plain, unsweetened kind. Greek yogurt is high in protein and probiotics, which support gut health and help regulate the body's use of sugar. It's also lower in carbohydrates compared to regular yogurt, making it a better option for blood sugar management. Ninth, we can't forget about beans and lentils. These legumes are packed with fiber and resistant starch, both of which slow the absorption of sugar and keep you feeling full longer. Incorporating beans into soups, salads, or side dishes is an easy way to harness their blood sugar-lowering benefits. Finally, number 10, garlic. This flavorful bulb has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties, and modern research suggests it may help reduce blood sugar by improving insulin sensitivity and promoting healthy blood flow. Add fresh garlic to your stir-fries, soups, or roasted vegetables for both flavor and health benefits. Among these 10 foods, a couple really stand out for their fast and powerful impact. Cinnamon, for example, has been shown in clinical studies to provide measurable reductions in blood sugar levels within weeks and sometimes even days of daily use. Its unique compounds not only mimic insulin, but also boost your cell's ability to absorb glucose. Adding cinnamon to your daily routine is simple, versatile, and delicious. Apple cider vinegar is another standout. The way it slows stomach emptying and improves insulin sensitivity can produce noticeable effects after just one meal. Imagine the difference a simple glass of water with a splash of apple cider vinegar before dinner could make. Researchers have seen post-meal blood sugar drops of up to 34% in some cases. But don't underestimate the power of the other foods on this list. Leafy greens and chia seeds offer long-term, sustainable blood sugar control, while berries and nuts provide healthy, satisfying snacks that won't send your glucose soaring. Fatty fish, Greek yogurt, beans, and garlic round out a powerful arsenal of choices that can transform your blood sugar profile over time. To recap, these 10 foods, cinnamon, apple cider vinegar, leafy greens, chia seeds, fatty fish, berries, nuts, Greek yogurt, beans and lentils, and garlic, are all proven allies in the fight against high blood sugar. Incorporating even a few of them into your daily meals can help you experience more stable energy, greater mental clarity, and a reduced risk for chronic disease. Whether you're looking for quick fixes or building a long-term strategy, these foods are some of the most effective tools nature has to offer. If you found these tips helpful and want to learn more about how to take control of your health through nutrition, make sure to subscribe. Stay tuned for more science-backed advice and practical tips that can help you feel your best every day.